In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your text without creating a new layer. So if I were to go over to the left-hand side here and just create a text layer, let's just say the sun is bright, and I'll make this a little bigger so it's a little easier to read here. And what you really want to do is, it's really simple not to edit the text. So what you would want to do without creating a new layer is really simple. So just click on the layer, and you would actually go back and click on your type tool again, and then you see the bar here, and it has that little dotted box around, and you would just scroll over the text, and then you see it disappear. So this is actually going to let you select the text, and then you can continue to type in anything that you want, and you're still on the same layer. So you can type in anything that you want to type in and hit enter, and the layer is edited, the text is edited, and it never created a new layer. So you can do this with multiple text layers and not be afraid to create useless layers that you don't want. So make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.